Okay, you guys, for this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix shaky video. So I didn't use a tripod for any of these videos I took. So if you look up here, here's a video that I took where you can see that it's kind of moving around a little bit and you don't necessarily want to make your viewers seasick. So in order to stabilize a shaky video, and that was not even that bad, sometimes they're worse. I'm gonna take this clip and I'm gonna drag it into my timeline. And then from there, I'm gonna click on the Effects tab, and I actually have it selected already, but if you don't see that there, what you would do is you would just use the word warp and search, and here's that warp stabilizer. So I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna drag it right on top of that shaky video. And then what you'll see if you put your cursor over there, it's gonna do some work in the background. So if you click up here on effects, you can actually see that work going on. And now it's stabilizing. And let's see what happened to that video. So you can see that it's actually a lot better than what it was before.